If your Samsung S24, S25 or any other Samsung phone is showing no network coverage, then let us see what to do. The first and the most easiest thing that you can do is open the notification panel. Tap on this airplane mode to enable it. Wait for few seconds and then disable the airplane mode. Now the next thing that you have to do is, if you have another phone present, then use the SIM card in another phone to make sure that SIM card is working. If the SIM card does not work in another phone also, then in that case you have to replace the SIM card. Now suppose if the SIM card works in another phone but not in your phone, then let us see what next step we can do. Go to settings, connections, mobile networks, go to this option network mode, and if you have selected 5G, try to use 3G and check if it works or not. Sometimes there might be a problem with the 5G network. In that case, use the 3G network until the problem with 5G network is resolved. Also go to this option access point names. Tap on these three dotted icons here. Select this option reset to default and then reset. After that, select your access point name. Go back. Go to network operators. Go to network operators. Now if you have selected it automatically, you can disable this option and then wait for few seconds so that you can see which network operators are provided in your area, and then select your network provider. Now the next thing that you have to check is, you have to make sure that if it is a firmware issue. So for that one, go to this phone icon here and then you have to dial this code, and this will show you the IMEI numbers. If you are not able to see the IMEI numbers, that means there is a problem with the firmware issue. In that case, you can't solve it yourself. You have to take it to a technician in order to flash the ROM of your Samsung phone. Similarly, go to settings and you have to go to about phone. Go to software information, and here also if you see there is baseband version present here or not. If baseband version is not showing, then this is also a firmware issue. Now if this problem has suddenly occurred after you have updated your phone, then in that case it will be a software issue. So in that case what you have to do is, you have to wait for the next update, or else you can factory reset your phone to check if this will fix the issue. Now if you want to factory reset, you have to go to settings here, you have to go to general management, and then you have to go to reset. Go to this option factory data reset. So once you do the factory data reset, everything will be deleted from your phone, like all of your Gmail accounts, your photos, everything will be deleted. So you have to back up your phone before you do the factory reset. So once do the factory reset if you can, and check if this will fix the issue or not. If this problem has started to occur without any software update, then it might be caused because of the antenna issue that is present in your phone. So in that case also you have to take your phone to the technician in order to inspect the phone. So do all of this and hopefully the issue will be resolved.